This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study history. Many find history challenging, but with the right approach, it becomes fascinating and manageable. We'll cover key techniques to help you grasp complex timelines and understand the interconnectedness of historical events. This guide will simplify your learning process, making history not just a subject, but a captivating story. A core principle is to move beyond mere memorization. Instead, concentrate on the why behind events. Think about the ripple effects of major decisions, like how one political shift can influence a nation for decades. Building mental timelines helps you see the flow of history, while maps provide crucial geographical context, showing where everything unfolded. To truly master history, actively engage with the material. After reading, try to summarize the key points without looking at the text. This active recall is incredibly powerful. Discussing historical events with friends or study groups can also reveal new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Regularly writing short analytical essays helps you articulate your thoughts clearly. Many students fall into the trap of passive reading, expecting information to stick without effort. Remember, history requires active participation. Don't just memorize dates, understand the narrative. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to The Simple Path to Wealth and other great deals. Avoiding these common pitfalls will significantly boost your history comprehension and retention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.